Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In this video, we want to show you how you can log into your Computershare employee account. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Firstly, open your default browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome. In the address bar, you can type in Computershare.com. After you head towards this type of interface, you just have to click to log into Employee Online. After that, the new web page will open. It may take a few minutes to load, so just wait patiently. Here, you can type in your company code, then click the Next button. After that, you will be prompted to solve the CAPTCHA. If you enter it correctly, as shown to you, you will be logged into your employee account. That's all for today, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in the upcoming days. So, make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all so that you never miss any updates. Feedback and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.